Hey, so I had this 2006 Chevy Cobalt. It it would not crank. It would not start. The only thing that came up was the pass key lock. It wasn't flashing or anything. Um, but there's this little ground underneath this coolant reservoir. I'm kind of pointing to right there, and that had broke off. I guess this happened during a tire blowout, but I mean, it seems like a pretty common issue, but if you can't, I mean, I ended up stripping down this wire harness down in here and there was 3 wires, 3 grounds that went to that, and I just kind of put a new end on it and put it to this new ground up here, and bam, it started right up. I was kind of hunting fuses because people had been taking stuff out of here and breaking them and stuff like that. But none of that was the issue. It was just a simple ground down here. I was able to turn the key forward and jump the starter, and it still wouldn't start. But once I found that ground and had the 3 ground wires coming out of the wiring loom and redid them and put them up into here, bam, it started right up. Yeah, just thought maybe this could help somebody. I bought this car for $400. They were going to scrap it. I kind of buy and flip vehicles if I can and make a little extra money. It's filthy, of course, but just thought this could help somebody out. It's a 2006 Chevy Cobalt. Well, good luck. Like I said, man, I thought it was a pass key, but usually that's when it's flashing and was thinking about bypassing it, and just simple ground. You know how it goes. Sometimes it's the simplest things, but it's, like I said, it's right under there. That coolant reservoir is a pain. Everything's rusted in the Midwest here. It's always, everything's a nightmare to take off. But hope you guys found this helpful, and like I said, you can get your vehicle going. Thanks.